Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your Kenwood model supports Apple CarPlay and decide wired versus wireless. Once done, plug an MFI-certified Lightning cable into the iPhone and the Kenwood USB port for wired setup. Make sure USB is the correct data port, not a charging-only port. If you prefer wireless, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and put the Kenwood into CarPlay or Bluetooth pairing mode. You'll need iPhone unlocked and ready. You now activate CarPlay. On the iPhone, go to Settings, General, CarPlay, and tap to allow a new connection. If prompted, choose your Kenwood. Next, on the Kenwood head unit, select CarPlay or smartphone mode from the source list. Once the iPhone appears on screen, accept the pairing or CarPlay prompt and grant necessary permissions for contacts and notifications. Make sure Siri is enabled on the iPhone because CarPlay relies on it for voice control and hands-free operation. You finish by testing core apps. Launch Maps, make a call, play music, and send a message via Siri to confirm functionality. If CarPlay won't connect or drops, first replace the Lightning cable with a known good MFI cable and reboot both the iPhone and Kenwood. Often that clears USB or Bluetooth hiccups. If problems persist, verify both firmware and iOS are current. Then reset network settings on the iPhone as a last resort. This clears Bluetooth pairings, but usually fixes persistent wireless pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.